What's up? Today is Friday. I don't know if you guys posted, but I was done before noon today. I think I posted a little afternoon, maybe it was before. But yeah, I've been done. Now it's almost 4 o'clock. I've been doing other things out and about. Gonna go out to eat more likely tonight. Go hang with some friends, hang with a girlfriend, whatever. But today's trade is what I want to go over. And this morning there wasn't a whole lot, and I didn't. This was not my preferred trade. And I know yesterday we talked about trading the best setups possible, but HMNY is the one that I traded today, and it had bad news this morning, which helped me want to even trade it. There, yeah, and stocks normally bounce on bad news. Normally, that's just shorts getting squeezed and then they fall back down, so you can actually short into that spike. And this one just had bad news, and it does go up usually in the mornings. HMNY is like scary. It's hard to predict. But this one, with the having bad news, it was one that I really wanted to keep an eye on because I knew that there wasn't going to be a parabolic move where I got $1 a share or even 50 cents a share profit on it. But I did make quite a bit. I got in around the 258 mark, or not 258, 248. So around the 250. Um, I wanted 250, and then so my average I believe was 248. Actually, we're not even gonna zoom in there. Sorry about that. And my main thing was I saw that it was coming back up, and I didn't think I wanted to be in, and that's why I got some shares at a 250 or at 250. I really wanted it to double top, but my thing was I didn't want it to actually get that high because if it gets that high again, the more likely it is to squeeze up and go parabolic or whatever with HMNY. HMNY is kind of scary to trade. A lot of traders, if you go into different chat rooms, they don't like it at all. They actually frown upon you even mentioning it in their chat rooms. But besides that point, I saw that it was here, and then of course it started falling again here. And if these candles don't really show, but they do bounce back and forth during these candles. And I watched it fall back, so I put it around that 250. I had multiple orders in at 250 and 248. I ended up getting filled at 248 mainly. I got a couple quick little fills at 250, so it was mainly a 258 average. And then I covered in down here. Well, I mean, I ended up taking some right in here this first time at that 242. I remember that, and then it bounced back up, and of course you're not very far from your risk at that point. But it did end up falling back down, and I held it thankfully, and I got some down in here in around the high high 30s, but still a great trade, I think. I mean, it's yes, it's not a lot per share, but when you have a decent account and you have a lot of shares that you can get on these lower $2, $3 stocks, then it's easier to move around with. I didn't make a killing today, not gonna lie to you. I mean, I made good money for America, but when I just saw the downtrend and it fell even further today, if we go back and we look at just today, you see that it ended up coming down here and hitting 223. And the bell is getting ready to close. We got 7 minutes until the bell rings, and it's starting to come back up a little bit. So I don't hold overnight. I refuse to. I'm definitely not going to hold HMNY overnight. If you guys know Movie Pass, that they have the Movie Pass. I believe they're the creators of it, but I know Movie Pass is hurting them. They're losing money on it. But you do gotta watch out because this one went up to, I want to say it was like 18, maybe it was higher. It was like $30. anyways, you guys can look at the chart. HMNY is the ticker. Um, we were having a problem with the course. We did just get it back and released and back on the going. So those of you that are in the course, thank you guys. If you guys still have any problems, email me. Most of you actually have my phone number now, or you're on my Instagram. Just message me. I'll message you back. Not a big problem. I don't have a whole lot to do this week, and other than a couple of little things, and hopefully pick up around here. But other than that, I'm just gonna hang out, chill, guys. Probably play some Fortnite. If you guys want to play Fortnite with me, comment below, and I'll get you my gamer tag. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys all have a good weekend. If you guys aren't making money on the stock market yet, and you guys want to, and you guys want to be financially free, I mean, I have the cheapest course out there, I believe, on how to do it. It's pretty easy. It takes hard work, though. Not gonna BS you, but you gotta put in your time. You gotta learn everything. But the basics are pretty simple. I do it while babysitting a dog most of the time, or my dog. So, with that being said, give it a thumbs up, guys. Share it if you want. If you guys have a friend that wants to see what you're into, or if you want to try to get into stocks, you want to explain some stuff, show them my videos. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow, and we're actually going to go over. I'm going to have my first Shopify video. So I will see you guys tomorrow.